Namaskar, subject CPS 1 and CPS 2, Curriculum and Pedagogic Studies School subject English. We are studying unit number 2, Content cum Methodology. Today we will learn 2.5 objectives of Content cum Methodology. So let's see the objectives of Content cum Methodology. There are so many objectives of Content cum Methodology. Let's see one by one. The first objective of Content cum Methodology is to enable the student to understand the relationship between content and method. This is the first. We have to understand the relationship between content and method. So this is the first. Second one is that to enable the student to understand the structure of the subject. So we have learned the structure of the subject. We have to understand that according to the our content. So that is the objective. Third one is that to develop in the students the competency of analyzing the subject content. So we have to develop the competency. एक विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये आपल्याला क्षमता निर्माण करायची स्टुडंट टीचरमध्ये हाऊ टू अनालाइज दॅट कंटेंट. सो दॅट इज अवर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह. द फोर्थ वन इज दॅट टू मेक द स्टुडंट्स अवेअर ऑफ द फॅक्ट दॅट methodology changes according to the content and standard. See, we have same content at different level, but we have to change our method according to the standard and according to the content. So it means that we when we study the content cum methodology, we learn it to change it. So fifth objective is that to make the teaching more effective on the basis of this knowledge. So we have to learn to make the teaching more effective. Our teaching should be effective on the basis of this knowledge. Of this knowledge means that we have to analyze, we have to study all these things, and according to that we have to be prepare our teaching more effective. So next one is that to comprehend the subject's nature and structure. What we have to do here, we have to comprehend the subject, its nature, its structure, all these things. Then next objective of the content cum methodology is to teach effectively by using content cum methodology. So we have to use this CCM concept method to teach effectively. So this is the objective. Next one is that to comprehend the objectives and entire curriculum of the subject. See, we have a curriculum, we have objectives of that curriculum, so we have to comprehend. त्यांनाही आपल्याला आकलन करून घ्यायचं आहे, and according to that objective, what we have to achieve from that student. So we have to teach that content to achieve the objective. So त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला ते ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह अगोदर कॉम्प्रेंड करणं आवश्यक आहे. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज दॅट to comprehend the relation between curriculum and syllabus. So here we have to comprehend the relations between curriculum and syllabus. See, first we have curriculum. According to curriculum, we have the syllabus of various courses or various paper. So we have to comprehend the relation between curriculum and syllabus. That is very important thing. Then to comprehend the relation between syllabus and textbook. See, first we have a curriculum. According to curriculum we have the syllabus. According to syllabus we have a textbook. So there is the relation between textbook, syllabus, curriculum. All these things we have to comprehend. Next one is that to analyze the content properly. So we have to analyze the content, what we have seen in last video, that techniques, methods of analyzing the content. So all these things we have to learn properly. Then next one is that to aware about different methods for different content, for different standards and vice versa. See, to aware about different methods, there are so many methods of teaching, so we should be aware of it. Different content, so we have different types of content too फॉर डिफरंट स्टँडर्ड. प्रत्येक वर्गासाठी आपल्याला वेगवेगळं कंटेंट आहे, वेगवेगळ्या मेथड्स आपल्या टीचिंगचं आहे, त्या सगळ्या आपल्याला अवेअर आपल्याला करायचं आहे. फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी लर्न द CCM. देन टू इंटिग्रेट कंटेंट विथ मेथड मिनिंगफुली. सी, वी हॅव अ मेथड, वी हॅव कंटेंट, वी हॅव टू इंटिग्रेट बोथ द थिंग्स अँड वी हॅव टू यूज देम फॉर टीचिंग. सो मेथड अँड कंटेंट, content and method, वी कांट म्हणजे त्यांना वेगळं नाही करू शकत, वी कांट डू इट. सो वी हॅव टू इंटिग्रेट बोथ द कन्सेप्ट इन वन. सो दॅट इज. Then last one, gain deeper understanding of the concept to be taught at school level. Whatever we are going to teach the content, in that content we have some concept, so we have to understood that concept in deep. जोपर्यंत आपल्याला त्या कन्सेप्टचं डीपर अंडरस्टँडिंग होत नाही तोपर्यंत आपण विद्यार्थ्यांना देऊ शकत नाही. सो वी हॅव टू गेन दॅट डीपर अंडरस्टँडिंग ऑफ दॅट कन्सेप्ट बिफोर टीचिंग. सो these are the objectives of content cum methodology. I have took references from this book. You also study in detail from this book about this topic. Hope you understood the objectives of content cum methodology. Thank you.